Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm making a sweet little nosegay for a mother to carry. So it could be for the mother of the bride or of the groom or both. But if they wanted something instead of a corsage, either pin-on or wrist corsage, sometimes this is really a cute alternative. It's also great for flower girls or even for proms if you wanted to do a little bouquet for prom instead. So it's a variety of different flowers and colors. Just trying to uh, inter intermix, I guess. Just kind of like a fresh spring bouquet. My focal flower is going to be these beautiful calla lilies, and just kind of working everything around them from there on out. I'll go ahead and I'll just put on some music and you can watch them go together. Everything's tied off with a chenille stem at the end. You want to measure about a hand down on your stem when you cut it. It doesn't have to be as long as a regular bouquet um, because it's a little bit smaller, a little bit cuter, and it's just gonna kind of be a sweet little bouquet for a mother to carry. And as you can see, we just got a sweet mix of colors and flowers. I like to have the calla lilies facing in towards each other. That will give it that focal point right towards the center. Just kind of intermixing the colors, trying to keep an even space between them all. Um, and there we go. It's a cute little nosegay bouquet for mother of a wedding. Thank you so much for watching.